Hi, in this video of OJ Air Cloud, we're going to show you how to enter a device location. First of all, we need to enter map view. We then find the area in which you wish to place your device. Choose the device with the missing location, and then in the device view, we go to config device, missing geolocation, and click on that. And you can see config device. We have the name, which you can change if you wish, and the location. We then find the exact spot of our device and then right click on that spot. Choose copy coordinates and then right click on location and paste in the coordinates. We now have the coordinates set in. We can save this and the record is successfully updated. And we have our coordinates. And as you can see, our device is now recorded on the map. Thank you for watching this video, and for more information please visit our website at www.ojelectronics.com.